Hello everyone, this is Dr. Syed Abdul Aleem, consultant pulmonologist at CARE Hospitals, Mushirabad. As you all know, we are going through a second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. In this regard, I just wanted to share a few things regarding prevention of COVID-19. The foremost thing I can summarize is in 12-point summary is there. The first thing, foremost thing is you should wash your hands frequently with a soap-based solution or soap for 20 seconds, or you can alternatively you can use alcohol-based sanitizer which contains alcohol of more than 60%. The second point for prevention of this COVID-19 spread is you should avoid touching your face or nose or mouth, because a COVID patient who has coughed virus through the droplets by coughing or sneezing, it goes onto surfaces and stays there for longer duration, probably around 2 to 3 days. When suppose a healthy individual touches those surfaces and then he touches his nose or mouth, then there is a way of getting this virus into your body. So this is the second point. The third point for this prevention of spread is you avoid shaking hands and avoid hugging. And fourth thing is you should not share personal items such as phones or laptops or towels or plates or other garments. The fifth thing to remember is you should cover your face and nose, cover your mouth and nose when you are coughing or sneezing. If you don't have a kerchief, you can just cough into your elbow or sneeze into your elbow. Whereas the sixth thing to remember to prevent the spread of COVID-19 is you should clean the surfaces with any disinfectant which contains more than 60% alcohol. Whereas the seventh one is you should follow social distancing or physical distancing of more than 2 meters or more than 6 feet. It also includes staying at home whenever possible during lockdown hours. You should avoid going to marriages or other function. If at all it is needed, you can do among few individuals of your family or community. Then eighth point is you should avoid going outside for food or drinks. You can have these things at your home through online delivery partners. The ninth point is you should use face mask. CDC, that is Center for Disease Control of USA, has recommended few methods to make the face mask, which should be a double layered cloth based face mask. Whereas the other masks such as triple layered surgical mask or N95 or respirators, these should be reserved for healthcare workers. Whereas the simple cloth mask, which is double layered, is enough for general public. Fine. And when this should be worn when you go into a public places. Then the other point is you should wash fresh groceries with normal running tap water. You should not use a soap based solution for washing these groceries. And then the other point is you should vaccinate whenever you get your turn. You should vaccinate yourself. And then the other point, you should identify the symptoms. If you get these COVID-19 symptoms, you should identify them and you should self-isolate them. Thank you.